Alright, this is the video of the version 2 of the FS22 long rifle loader. This one is a revision made for only star crimped blank cartridges, which are not considered ammunition. So firstly, we've redone the menus, so they're done in the end customer's language, so Russian, English, Spanish, whatever it needs to be. Next you'll see these positive indexing captive shell holders. They're spring loaded, and they're spring loaded here with ball bearings to catch apart, and then also here they eject with a hard eject, as you see when this cylinder comes forward. Next changes we made is now the feeder is completely automated with solenoids that detect when the casings are full or near full, spring tubes to be more forgiving of feeding, and then also sensors down here for an empty cycle so it stops running. We fixed it with a trap door, so if you get a bad part, upside down part, you can eject down through there. And then secondly, we fixed the slide feeding right here, as you can see, that inserts the casings into the shell holder. Next, we have added a hard indexing stop made out of brass here, and what it does is it lets the indexing table accurately index within thousandths of accuracy by putting this wedge into here and locking it in place so you have no backlash. Powder drop system's the same, powder check's the same. Note, on this machine made for export, the bullet loading station is completely non-existent and the machine code is made not to accept it, so this machine crimps star crimped blanks. So we're going to show, after we start running, we'll show you what some of the blanks look like. And here we have our final check for overall length and proper crimp and our eject. So today we'll be loading, let's go pull some of these out. I got one. Alright, today we'll be loading FS brand bimetal brass plated casings with your standard primer.